Something like this happens when you check your bank statement and wonder where all the money went. You tell yourself, saving more next month, saving more next month, but it never happens. Sounds so familiar, doesn't it? The harsh truth is that each unnecessary dollar you waste is a step away from your dream lifestyle. But what if I told you there is a way to take control of your finances and create your wealth without sacrificing everything you cherish? What if one little question could put an end to the cycle of excessive spending and put you on the right path? How to pre-purchase pause your money. Reflect and master budgeting the artifacts. In the clearest possible words, if you don't look at this video, then your bad habits will continue to drain you financially and regret will come later. But if you decide to stay, I assure you, your financial life will get transformed. At the end of this video, you will learn how to identify wasteful expenses, build a budget that feels like freedom, not restriction, and take the first step toward financial independence. So stay with me, as this isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's about building a life where your friend is money and not your enemy. The world has been programmed to have you part with money. Adverts all over society will tell you to buy something so that happiness can be just a purchase away. It's so easy to get caught in this trap. Swipe your card, tap buy now, and convince yourself that you deserve it. But here's the catch. Those small, mindless rivulets of expenditure do add up. Think about it. How many times have you bought something only to have that sinking feeling afterward? Maybe it sounds trivial, like $5 spent on coffee today or a $20 subscription tomorrow. It does not seem like much until you realize that these small leaks are sinking your boat financially. Now picture this, an unexpected emergency, an automobile repair, perhaps a medical bill, or it could be the loss of a job. You check your savings and nothing is there. Then panic ensues. Stress has taken over.